Yo, what's poppin' guys? Christopher right here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make lemon juice. Alright, it's very simple. First you need to have at least one lemon, a knife, and this cutting pad, glasses right here, and one brown sugar. Alright, it doesn't matter if you use normal sugar. Alright, and you need to have ice cube also. Alright, before you start anything, make sure to wash everything. Wash your lemon, wash your knife, wash your pad, wash your glasses. Alright, okay, so now you cut this lemon into two pieces. Alright, after that you're going to get this lemon, just squeeze it inside the cup. Alright, just squeeze it. It's gonna take some times, but it's okay. I'm not using any squeezer, that's why I'm using my hand, so it's okay guys, you can do it either way. But please make sure your hand is clean, okay? If you squeeze the lemon, make sure squeeze to another cup as well, you know. So I'm gonna get the other one right here, just to squeeze it. So I've squeezed everything into the cups, and now it's time for me to take some brown sugar. It's up to you, alright, how much you want to put inside your cup, but I'm gonna put some because it's kind of sour, so yeah. Alright, so after you add the brown sugar into the cups, so it's time for you to add mineral water inside every cup. Alright, so I've poured the mineral water inside it, and so it's now the time to stir all the things up. After that, add some ice cubes inside the cups, and it's done guys. So it's basically up to you how much brown sugar or sugar you want to add inside the cup, because it's gonna be so sour. And yeah, so that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and peace out. See you guys in the next video.